Good day, champions. This is Noble Mike Jamison, and I want to welcome you to the future of investing. So, today we wanted to spend just a little bit of time walking you through the 7 steps to getting started right. Now, in preparation to go through this process, I would encourage you to watch this video on one device, okay, maybe your computer, your laptop, or your iPad. And then I would encourage you to go through these steps on your actual cell phone. We found that it's easier to walk through these steps utilizing your cell phone. So today we're going to be going through these 7 simple steps right here, 1 through 7. And I'm going to be sharing with you what you should expect to see as you go through each of these steps. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so first of all, you have decided to purchase one of our memberships and be a VIP member of the AMG network. And typically, members will decide which membership works best for them. Of course, that's totally up to you. We're just going to serve as directional bumpers and really guide you to the source of your own power. However, in today's Getting Started Right, we're going to primarily talk about the Smart Finance Choice Equity membership. Okay, the Smart Finance Choice Equity membership. Now, these steps will be applicable, okay, to these other memberships with a little bit of deviation, but that's okay. But today we're going to go through our most popular membership, our second most popular membership, which is the Smart Finance Choice Equity membership. Okay, so now let's talk about step number one. Step number one says, hey, look, log into your back office. This is saying log into your iGenius back office. And so you've created a username and a password. So we want you to log into your back office. And then you'll notice that Smart Finance is over here on the panel, okay? On the panel. You're going to click on Save Pro, all right? You're going to click on Save Pro, and then you're going to scroll down. Now, you can download this My Deals app on your iPhone or the Google Play Store, okay? The iPhone or the Google Play Store, all right? Now, you want to follow these instructions. If you're utilizing the app, you're going to use these instructions, all right? If you're utilizing the website, you're going to use these instructions. Some people will decide what they want to use the website version of the instructions, so you'll go here. Or if you want to use the app version of the instructions, you're going to go here, okay? So go through that process. Is very, very simple to complete step number one. And when you're done, you should have the My Deals app on your phone, which is going to help you budget like a boss. Okay, it's going to help you budget like a boss. Now, in the event that you do not have Smart Finance as a part of your membership, all right, then you would skip step number one. All right, so there are some instances where you won't have Smart Finance as a part of your membership, and that's okay. So therefore, you're going to start out with step number two, which is connect to our Alerts One bot. So you obviously you're going to log into your iGenius back office. You're going to click on Research and Alerts. All right, Research and Alerts, and then you're going to see this Start Getting Alerts. Okay, Start Getting Alerts. The words may change a little bit because they're constantly updating the website, but the idea is that you want to connect to our community of market experts. Okay, and so when you click on this Start Getting Alerts, it's going to ask you to verify your phone number. So you just enter your phone number that you're walking through these steps with on, okay? And then once you do that, you're going to get a prompt, okay? You're going to get a prompt. And the prompt is going to say, hey, welcome to the family. It's going to be your name, okay? It's going to say, welcome to Alerts One. And then what it wants you to do, okay, what it wants you to do is enter your iGenius member ID. So you all received a 5 or 6 digit member ID when you enrolled. And so the first thing you want to do is enter your ID. This is what it's asking right here. It says, hey, can you find your ID in your back office? You can find your ID in your back office on the dashboard. All right. And you enter it right here. Once you enter your ID, you press the little go button and it'll take you to the next prompt. The next prompt will say, hey, what is your email registered with us, right? What is your email registered with us? You enter your email that's registered with us right there on the next prompt, okay? Now, the next thing that happens is that it's going to think for about 5 seconds, and it's going to come back and say, hey, you are verified successfully. So now the system has verified that you are a VIP member with our community. All right. Now, what that allows you to do is it allows you to get access to certain channels based off your membership type. Okay. So if you are going through the steps as a Smart Finance Choice Equity member, then that's going to give you access to certain channels. If you're going through as a elite member, then that's going to give you access to certain channels. And so this gives you the ability to see what channels I have access to based off your membership type. Now, the first channel we want you to join is called Trend Pro, okay? Trend Pro. You've probably seen in our presentation that we talked about that NASDAQ 100 strategy that does phenomenal results, okay? Now, past performance is not indicative of future results, but this is one of the most simplest strategies that we have. So we want you to join the Trend Pro strategy, all right? Channel. The next thing we want you to do is we want you to join the boot camp, okay? These are live sessions held by corporate where they walk through different aspects of the back office. So 1 minute they may be going through details about the products. Another minute they may be going through details about some different things, okay? So you want to join the boot camps so they'll promote, okay, which boot camps are being held. And then the last channel we want you to join in Alerts One is the announcements channel. All right. This is the channel where corporate office sends out communication that they think everyone should know. All right. Now, keep in mind, you don't have to have all of these channels on. Okay. Once you join them, you can actually mute the boot camp and mute the notifications. So that way, perhaps when you're on your lunch break or when you're off work, you can go and see what they say. Okay. But this channel you want to keep unmuted, all right? Because this is going to let you know when you want to get in and get out of the marketplace, okay, based off your discretion. So you want to do Trend Pro, announcements, and bootcamp, and that will complete step number 2. All right, so now we are here. We're at step number 3, where it's time to connect to our AMG family, all right? It says connect to our team app. We utilize an app called Business Glue. Okay, we utilize an app called Business Glue. So right back where you started, which is the AMG member link, you're gonna see this panel. Okay, you're gonna see this panel, and we want you to go to download this team app, which is Business Glue. The icon will look like this in your Play Store or your App Store. It'll look just like this. Okay, it'll look just like this. So you're gonna download it. All right, you're gonna create a username and a password. All right, and once you do that, you'll be able to log in and see these different training modules. All right, they look like little squares, just like this. They're training modules. One of those training modules is join our AMG social media. Join our AMG social media. And what that does is that it gives you access to these channels that are utilized by the AMG market experts and team leaders. So once you click on join our AMG social media, it opens up this channel, okay? And you just click on news and announcements. It'll put you in the channel. You click on chats and dialogues. It'll put you in the channel. You click on the trading post. It'll put you in the channel. And you click on the Facebook. It'll put you in our Facebook group. Okay. Now these channels all have a specific purpose. I'll share with you really quickly what they mean. The AMG Network Facebook group. This is a community where we, get a chance to socialize as a group on social media. We post a lot of flyers and updates and things of that nature. So it's a safe place where you can even add, right, members to this community yourself, okay, as you decide to, add investors to the group as well. Now here, the trading post, this is where the market experts of our team publish trade ideas, okay? So if there's trade ideas being published, whether it's the stock market or Forex, they're going to come here. So you can receive trade ideas in the trading post, all right? The chats and dialogues channel, this is where you get a chance to communicate with other members of the AMG network, all right? You may be excited about some results you had, so you want to let everybody know, hey, this just happened to me and I'm excited. Or you may have a question that you may have, so you can literally post your question in the chats and dialogues, and a team member who's experienced that and have overcome it may respond, or one of our leaders will respond as well. So it's a great place to get support here in the AMG network. And then there's our news and announcements. So you get a chance to get all the updates about events, promotions, and everything in between from that channel. Okay. Now, the next thing is, so that would have completed step 4. Now we're on step 5. All right. Step 5 is you want to download your micro sharing app. Okay. We utilize Robinhood. Okay. You can also utilize other brokers, but we found this best and simple to use Robinhood. So you want to click here and download the Robinhood app, verify your ID, okay, and load some money in there, okay. Here we have, load $250. You can load $250 in there after you verified your account if you choose, but you can load $10 in there, right? It doesn't really matter to us. We're just giving you an idea of what the best practice is. So typically a person who's looking to trade micro shares, then $250 typically isn't a big deal. But if it is right now, no problem. Add $10 in there, because the main thing we want to do at this step is we want to teach you the behavior of trading. Okay, so even when these trade ideas come out for our NASDAQ 100 strategy, also known as Trend Pro, even if you only got $10, we want to show you how to trade the $10, right? Because we know once you learn to make money with 10, you give yourself permission to go to 100, right? And once you make money with 100, you give yourself permission to go to 1,000. So we understand that. So if you can start with 250, by all means, go ahead, or more, okay? But if you're not in position to do so, go ahead and start with $10, and let's keep it moving. All right. Now, the last thing here is step number 6 and step number 7. Okay, we don't have slides for those. I'll just talk about them. Step number 6 is you want to set your alarm to be informed on 3 different events. All right, so now you are embarking upon your journey as a business, an investment business professional. Okay, put that in your notes. An investment business professional. And so there are certain things we want you to be aware of on a weekly basis, because now we're getting ready to create new habits, okay, new habits that will ultimately create new results, which is what you want. All right, so those new daily habits start with, number 1, setting your alarm on your phone to remind you about checking out the Telegram channel for our micro sharing app. So you set an alarm on your phone at 3:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. This whole process takes about 5 minutes. Again, it's about the new behavior. So set an alarm for 3:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. When that notification goes off on your phone, then you're going to go and check in Telegram, is there anything to do today for this trade idea? Okay, no problem. The next thing we want you to do is set a reminder notification on your phone about our Sunday night momentum Zoom. Every Sunday at 8:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, we get together as a community to talk about what's coming up this week, right? So we like to stay connected. It's the umbilical cord of our organization, all right? And then finally, Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time is our weekly market update. We have one of our market experts on a weekly basis give you in real time what's happening in the world today and how it applies to me, okay? And so you don't want to miss that call. every Thursday, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And then finally, you want to do a welcome call. You want to meet some of the leaders that are in our community, get acquainted with one another. We're not going to be strangers. Of course, we may start out as business colleagues, business partners, but we're going to end up as family. So make sure that you send your sponsor, your success coach, your favorite photo, okay? And then they're going to take your favorite photo and post it, a welcome message, in the AMG Chats and Dialogues channel, okay? So people can celebrate you because there may be some people that are right next door to you that are looking to do what we do, or they're a part of what we do already, and you guys can collaborate together, all right? And then finally, we want to see you at our next live event, all right? We have an opportunity to do some amazing things together. I want to meet you in person and face-to-face. So we're going to build an amazing investment portfolio together, okay? Hey, listen, thanks for joining. Welcome to the future of investing.